This is a creative and viral-friendly concept where you explain the solar system using plant analogies to make it simple, fun, and educational.
The Sun is a yellow dwarf star that provides 99.8% of the system's mass.
In gardening terms, it's a high-intensity discharge lamp that never turns off. The Goldilocks dial. If you are too close, your leaves scorch instantly. Too far, and photosynthesis is impossible. Just like plants need sunlight for photosynthesis, every planet depends on the sun's energy. The sun makes up 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Without it, life on Earth would not exist. Earth equals the perfect greenhouse plant, located in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold. Has water, oxygen, and the right temperature for plants and life. The only known planet with natural forests and oceans. Mercury equals the burnt leaf. Closest to the sun, extremely hot during the day. No atmosphere to protect it. Venus equals the overheated greenhouse. Thick atmosphere traps heat, runaway greenhouse effect. Hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the sun. Jupiter and Saturn equals giant garden protectors. Massive gas giants. Their gravity protects inner planets from asteroids. Uranus and Neptune equals frozen garden edge, very cold and far from sunlight, mostly made of gas and ice. Imagine the solar system as one giant garden. The sun is the gardener's lamp. Earth is the perfect greenhouse. Mars is the dry desert plant, and Jupiter, the giant garden protector. Content formats you can create: Instagram carousel, planets as plants, YouTube shorts, 60-second explainer, kids educational video, animated infographic, AI-generated art, alien plants on each planet. Viral title ideas. The solar system explained like a garden seedling. Planets compared to plants. Why Earth is the perfect greenhouse planet. Mars, the future space farm? Astrobotany. Can we actually grow space plants? We aren't just dreaming. Scientists are already doing this. The veggie system. NASA has successfully grown red romaine lettuce, zinnias, and radishes on the International Space Station, ISS. Hydroponics and aeroponics. Since there's no up or down in space, plants are grown in pillows of clay and water, using LED lights that mimic the sun's specific blue and red wavelengths.